Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch and I'm gonna show you how to customize the widgets on this device. First, let me show you how to access the widgets. So, let's press the upper button to wake up the screen on our watch. And once you wake up the screen on your watch, you should see the current watch face, the home screen basically. And on this page you can swipe left on the screen to scroll through the list of widgets. As you can see, we have the heart rate, music control, weather, and quick access, I believe. And we can customize this list. To do it, open the list of widgets by swiping left on the home page, on the home screen. Then press and hold on the one of the widgets, like this, to enter the editing mode. And now we can scroll through the list and we can do a couple of things. We can remove the widget from the list. For example, let's remove the weather. So tap on the pen icon on this widget you want to remove, like this. We can add a new widget, so we can scroll all the way right, tap on the plus button. This will open the list and we can select the widget we want to use, for example, activities, like that. And that's about it. We can either remove or add widgets on the list. And once you're done editing your widget list, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face, and once you scroll through the list you will see that the changes were applied. So we have the quick access and the activities right here. And that's how you customize the widgets on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.